Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. Music producer Linval Thompson Jr., more popularly known as Shabdon, was arrested yesterday by the police Special Operations Unit. Now, in a release, the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit CCU says Shabdon is being held on reasonable suspicion of illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, which was allegedly recovered by the police from a motor vehicle in which he and another passenger were traveling. Shabdon is known in the dancehall industry for producing several hit songs such as Vibes Cartel's Any Weather, Henny and Weed by TJ, and Squash's Money Forever. Reggae singer Nesbeth over the weekend released his latest single, Life Over Everything. The uplifting track is a collaboration with producer Kraba's Genius and Ivy League Production and aims to inspire people to stay positive despite facing numerous life challenges.
Tomorrow it no promise, every day upon the planet is a gift stuff. Life over everything. Life over everything.
Nesbeth shared with E-Prime his inspiration for Life Over Everything.
The inspiration behind Life Over Everything came from the Most High, like always. And with the new norm, and you realize that so many people dying, whether by crime or violence or virus, and it kind of make you look upon life different, you know. It's a high opener. Like, you learn to appreciate every second, because the reality is nobody knows what tomorrow may be. And that's naturally.
Nesbeth is known for the hit songs Success Story, My Dream, and Boardhouse. The reggae singer focuses on bringing forth much-needed inspiration and encouraging music. Now, over the weekend, Grammy-winning artist Sean Paul dropped another track with his longtime collaborator, Sia. The duo teamed up for the electrifying track dubbed Dynamite. The feel-good song has been getting rave reviews since it was released. Sean Paul shared with his fans this behind-the-scenes video of him in the studio adding some extra sauce and dynamite.
Hey yo, my people think they should know.
This is the second collaboration for Sean Paul and Sia. They previously teamed up on the chart-topping single Cheap Thrills. The track brought both of their massive fan bases together in 2016. I am Daedran reporting for E-Prime.